When we call up on them, and show up in them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. I've been in the hills, superstars feeling like a pop star.
So what's up, guys? Good morning. I gotta stretch. So if you just yawned watching me yawn, go ahead, like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment. Tell me that you yawned. I'm on my way right now to pick up an Audi R8. Could you believe it? An Audi R8? And the spot that I'm picking it up from, they usually toss around cars with a forklift. So I was told that this car is brand new. So I wonder if they're gonna move it and pick it up with a forklift, or if they're gonna drive it onto my flatbed. Well, I can't let them drive it onto my flatbed. I wonder if they're gonna let me drive it onto the flatbed. But whatever the case may be, I'm gonna record it for you guys. For you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. You. Yeah, you. I'm actually really hungry. I'm actually really hungry. Maybe I should stop and get some food. Now I see a Dunkin' Donuts over there, and I was gonna show you guys, but this guy wants to block off my view from the Dunkin' Donuts. Hey. Let me see. Alright, he pulled off. You guys see that Dunkin' Donuts? It looks so good, and I'm so hungry. So hungry. I might cry. I want Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, you know what? I'm going to get Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, this. She didn't close it! Why didn't she close it? Actually tastes pretty good. I don't know why she wouldn't close it all the way. Like, why do employees do that? Like, you guys should make sure that it's closed all the way. I should go back in there and make her fill it up. Too bad there's a cop in there, though. So I made it. And there goes the butte right there. Wow. How you doing, boss? So I came here to pick up the Audi R8. And as you guys can see, they have three. One right there. One right there. And one over there. And they're like, hey, pa, I don't know which one you're taking. We got three. So, yeah, they're trying to figure out which one I'm taking. And look at this. So, look at this Alfa Romeo. Shit is basically brand new. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like red leather interior. This M3 is basically still brand new. Brand new M3. Oh my god. I think I'm in love. What? I got a 550 right next to it. And look at this M3. This thing is brand new basically. But damn. So they got some really expensive cars over here. Look at this range. I'm guessing the suspension must be blown out. Look how it's sitting. Unless they put suspension on it, which I doubt it. Supercharged Hemi. Porsche is sitting right here, collecting mold. Another range. SRT is shot. G-Wagon over there. Look at this. Brand new Infiniti. 3.0 T. Nice. We got mad cars here, yo. Look at the M6 Corvette. Yo, this is crazy. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Look at this Porsche though. So I'm wondering how they're gonna load up this Audi R8. They're gonna load it up with the forklift. I'm pretty sure they have to load it up with the forklift because it doesn't drive. So I'm still shocked about this Alfa Romeo and that M3. Porsche, Tesla. Crazy. So it's not gonna be the R8, it's gonna be the Infiniti. Quickest way to load up a car. So now they're not even sure if I'm taking this car. So they told me not to strap it up because they don't know what car I'm taking exactly. I thought I was coming here to pick up the R8. but instead they loaded up this Infinity, and after they loaded it up, I was just about to strap it down. They came over to me and they're like, listen pal, wait a second, I'm not sure what car you're taking, because just give me 2 minutes and I'll let you know, because you might be taking another car. So they said I'm not taking the Infinity. They said that I'll be taking a Range Rover. So I went from a R8 to a Q60 to now a Range Rover. So I'm just gonna back up into the lot, so that way it's just gonna be easier to work. It's crazy, right? Woo. Wait, I don't know which Range Rover I'm taking. Am I taking that one? Am I taking that one? I think I'm taking the white one with the blown suspension. Dun, 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 dun. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I guess this is the one I'll be taking. All right, so now start strapping this in. All set. Alrighty. And that's that.